Hello everybody and welcome to the channel Learn Turkish the Easy Way. In this lesson, we will learn how to pronounce the word Merhaba in Turkish. We will also see how we can use this word in different contexts. So let's start. Merhaba. 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 Now, the word merhaba in Turkish means hello. If you want to respond to the person who says merhaba, you can respond samely. So for example, if somebody says merhaba, you can respond by saying merhaba. Merhaba Ali. Merhaba Ali. Merhaba Ali. Merhaba arkadaşlar. Merhaba arkadaşlar. Merhaba arkadaşlar. Now, when you say merhaba arkadaşlar, arkadaş here means a friend. And lar here is the plural ending for the friend, which means hello friends. So the literal meaning is hello friends. However, when you say merhaba arkadaşlar, we really mean hello guys or anybody, people, the folks, right? Because that's the way we say in English, hello guys, hello folks, and that's exactly what it means in Turkish. You can use merhaba arkadaşlar to call people that you mostly know personally, and that will basically mean hello guys. Merhabalar. 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 When you use merhaba in plural, like here, it basically doesn't change the meaning of the word. So just because you change the word merhaba to plural, it doesn't mean anything more than hello. So you can simply say merhaba or merhabalar. Merhaba, nasılsın? Merhaba, nasılsın? Merhaba, nasılsın? Here, we add one more word, which is how are you? And therefore, when you see a person, you can initiate a discussion or a talk by merhaba, nasılsın? Which means hello, how are you? If you liked this video and learned something new, please subscribe to my channel to watch more lessons on how to learn Turkish the easy way. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with others because sharing is nice, sharing is helpful. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lessons.